Hey family, welcome back to another episode. And yes, today I am having breakfast. And guess what, y'all? I am eating fried catfish fillets and grits. Yes. Let's dig in. All right, y'all, welcome back. So, oh my God, y'all, look at this. Grits. How many of y'all love grits? I do. It is a childhood favorite. Y'all see all the smoke? Ooh, it's hot, hot, hot. And I had put some butter in there. And now, I know here is the controversy, but I am a, da-da-da-da. Which one? Can you guess? Sugar or salt? You right, sugar. Sugar, baby. I am a sugar grit eater. Yep, got that from my mama and my papa. In our home, it was grits and sugar. Oh my God, can't wait to get into this. But first, before I get into anything, you know what I got to do. Always. Yes, grits on a Sunday morning. Oh my God, so I say I got some fried catfish fillets, and y'all, I got the red hot. I had to do it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, y'all. So, grab y'all plate. I'll wait. But before you do that, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. And, hey, let's get it in, y'all. Oh, my gosh. So, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day thus far. Look at that, y'all. Hot. Oh, yes, my God. Yeah. Y'all, this is some good eating, y'all. Fish and grits. That fish was seasoned so good. I have to get that. Hey. And I got some dry toast on the side. That's what I like. And you know it. Ice cold cherry Kool-Aid, y'all. I love it. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, so good. Look how creamy that is. Creamy and buttery and sweet. And fried catfish, kind of hard. Oh, my stomach just growling. Excuse me. And I told y'all I'll be cooking. I'm in a cooking mood. forgot my napkins. That's okay. Yeah, but yesterday was voting day. Did anybody go out and vote? I think it's, I know in my city, it's the candidates that's running for our state governor position. Politics. But anyway, yes, I voted. Have to. Because if I don't, I can't complain. I cannot complain. A lot of people don't know the importance of how voting is until something happens and then they want to blame everyone or blame a certain person. But did you go out and vote? If you didn't, shut up. But anyway, I digress. It's a beautiful day, y'all. And I only like fried catfish nuggets. I don't like the ones that hasn't been filleted. Too many bones. Fish bones in it. I don't like fish bones. I had a bad experience as a child with fish bones. Caught right in my throat. I mean, just stuck there. Bread, water, milk. Eventually it helped, but oh my God, that was like the longest 10-15 minutes of my life. But I know a lot of people don't like catfish. I don't understand why. But to each his own. Yeah. Oh, So you guys, oh my God, the weekend is approaching so fast. I'm thinking I'm gonna do another outing before August is over with. And I want to take you all with me to, drum roll, the Detroit Zoo. How many of you like the zoo? Grown people do like the zoo, yes. And we're gonna have some fun. I would love to go to the Toledo Zoo. They say that is huge. The animals are abundant. They say it's really nice. I might can make it up there before they close. I have to look and see when they close. Might be 2 field trips. the Detroit Zoo, and the Toledo Zoo. Because you guys, I want my friends in other cities and states and countries to share in my experiences when I go on these outings and stuff. I want you to enjoy yourselves and be as if you're right here with me, you know? Y'all, I'm on my iPhone right now, and I'm looking at the screen, but I think I need to be looking in the little camera hole. So if you see me wavering back and forth, that's because I'm trying to. I want to look at myself on the screen, but then I want you to look as though I'm looking into your eyes. So, oh my God, you know what? One thing about these grits, y'all, they will get you full. So getting back to the salt and sugar. A lot of people eat the grits with salt and pepper. To each his own. If you love it, if you like it, I love it. I never tried it with salt and pepper. I'm gonna have to try it one day. They say it's delicious. And I believe it. But in my household, my mother always made it like, is that cream of wheat? Always sugary and buttery and milky. So good. So this is so fulfilling. Now let me get my, look at all that ice. Woo! It's like a big slushy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got crumbs everywhere. Oh my God. One more. So good to my tummy. So good, so good, so good. Yes, it's yummy. So good. And you guys, guess what? Excuse me. I am going to do, yep, I'm going to do it. I don't know when. I am going to do the Kiki, do you love me? Do you ride with me? So you never ever leave on beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you. Kiki, do you love me? Do you love me? So whatever. Yes, I'm gonna do that, y'all. Don't worry, your girl can dance. Trust me. I gets down, okay? Oh yeah, y'all, in Detroit, we hustle. We ballroom. So I'm gonna be, you know, as time go on, and I used to be in the, I used to go to, on Tuesday nights, we used to go to hustle classes. And they show you all these different hustles. It's so much fun. So I'm gonna be doing that too. So, you know, we're gonna have some fun. We are going to be doing some stuff. We're going to be learning how to hustle, learning how to ballroom. So, hey, when we get invited out, hey, we'll know how to strut our stuff, okay? So, anyway, y'all, thank you for joining me today. I am about to sign out. But don't forget, you're too blessed to be stressed, and I love you, and there's not a dang on thing you can do about it. And Kiki, do you love me? Do you ride me? Something. Do you ride? I don't even know what the word. Let me get the words together first. Let me get the song down pack, and I'm gonna show you a little something, something. All right, y'all. Love you. See you later. Bye.